Hello everybody. Today we are going to be taking out the RAM inside of this laptop and replacing it with a new stick of RAM. So, before we start, we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, which I have here in this amazing kit. Once again, link in the description. So let's put this aside and get straight to unscrewing the back off the laptop.
Soon after.
Now that we have the back panel of the laptop off, we can see all the inner components, and right there, if you look very closely, I'm going to turn it around for a second. Alright, so right there you see that, those two are the RAM sticks. So we have to take off this flap and expose one of the sticks. And there are two metal pieces next to the RAM holding it in. You'll have to gently pull those off like so, either with your finger or with another tool. And the RAM is going to come at a tilted angle. Do not panic when you see this. This is normal. Just slide it out gently. Alright, perfect. You have your RAM stick. And you can get a new one and replace that with the new one if you want more RAM. But since I don't have a new RAM stick available, I am just going to put this old one back. I will put a link in the description for a website where you can get laptop RAM. Or if you want, you could just go on Amazon. So we're going to slot this RAM right back in, and we're going to gently push it down and make sure we securely place these two clamps on the edge of the RAM, so it is securely inside the RAM slot. Alright, perfect. The next step in our procedure is obviously to put the back panel back onto the laptop and close it up. So first we're going to do a little check of the RAM. Once that's all good, take the back panel and firmly place it on to the laptop and just screw it in. There you go. Alright, that is it for this video. If you want me to do anything else, then leave it in the comments. Bye.